In a quaint town, a schoolteacher named Clara stumbled upon her extraordinary talent while collecting leaves for a lesson. She began arranging them into intricate patterns, creating stunning art that captivated everyone around her. Intrigued by the natural world, Clara expanded her creations to include twigs and flowers, crafting magnificent murals that tell stories of the seasons. Her art brought the community together, inspiring workshops in environmental awareness. Clara discovered that expressing her hidden talent not only enriched her own life, but also nurtured a deeper connection to nature in those around her.